Hello children, welcome to BrainBox. Today we have something interesting for you. We are going to learn rhyming words. So let's start. First is cat and the rhyming word can be hat. So first is cat, the rhyming word can be hat. Next is dog. Can you tell me the rhyming word written? It's log. Then we have sun and the rhyming word is fun. Then we have pen and the rhyming word is 10. So if you see carefully children, the second half of the word is same. Let's see the next one. It's big. What's the rhyming word? It's big. So if you see, IG is common in both big and big. The next is ball and the rhyming word is tall. Then it's book and look. And then it's toy and boy. And the last one is tree and the rhyming word is bee. Thank you for watching BrainBox. Please subscribe to get more such wonderful content.